Hi everyone! Today I'm sharing a cute Christmas candle holder design perfect for anyone who loves painting and glass. You've already seen the materials we need. For the design, I love drawing lots of snowy Christmas houses with pine trees because pine trees are classic Christmas symbols. But you can draw anything you like. Maybe Santa Claus, a snowman, or any Christmas theme you enjoy. Just place the printed design inside the glass jar and easily trace it with your white paint markers. This part is really fun. After that, we add the salt snow for a cozy winter look. So, you can finish it with a small Christmas LED light. I'm still planning to add a bit more decoration. Some classic Christmas wreath and a small piece of natural pine branch. Simple and festive.